Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2016 Ford Escape. We are doing a cabin air filter. It is located right up in there. This long black plastic cover right there has to come off. Two little tabs right there. But if your carpet is in the way, you will not be able to see that Torx bit right there. And our size is a T20. So you'll need to take out that little screw right there in order to get the whole cover out. The filter itself is going to come out very oblong shaped. So as you take it out, don't worry about it. It will bend, it will flex, it will do all that kind of good stuff. That's not a problem. Same way with going back in. I'm going to have to squish it in place in order to get it actually in there with no problem. See, this customer did not change theirs in a little while. Ugh. So just check for the airflow. There will be a little airflow designation on here. See where it says right there, airflow. So just need to make sure you put it in the right spots. That way it does work correctly when it goes back in. Any questions, comments, please let me know.